Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your maths class. I hope you all are fine. Children, today we will do the brain teasers of Unit 8. So, here the question number 1 is tick the correct answer. A part is 3 hours 33 minutes is equals to dash minutes. We have to convert this time, which is in hours and minutes, into minutes. For this, first of all, we will convert these hours into minutes and then we will add these minutes into that answer. So here it is written 3 hours. We all know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So in 3 hours we have to find the number of minutes. 60 multiplied by 3. As I have already told you that when we have the number for 1 and we have to find for many, we do the multiplication. So it will become 180 minutes. Now there are 33 minutes also. So we will add this 33 minutes here in 180. So finally we will get the answer 213 minutes. So here the right option is 213 minutes. B part, today is Monday. After 61 days it will be. Now when you have to find the day after some number of days, यहाँ पे कोई भी number of days आपको दिया हो सकता है, as it is written here 61 days. तो आपने क्या करना है, whatever the number is given here, we will divide this number by 7. So here I am dividing 61 by 7. After doing this division, I am getting the remainder 5. So after Monday we will count 5 days and that will be the answer: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So here the right option is Saturday. See, which of the following months have 30 days? Now here we have to find the months out of all these months which has 30 days. July, it has 31 days. December has 31 days. October has 31 days. April has 30 days. So the right option is here, this one, April. Then we come to the D part. A train leaves Delhi at 12:05 p.m. At what time will it reach Agra if the journey takes 3 hours 42 minutes? Now we have to find here the time of the train when it will reach Agra, and here it is given the time when the train is leaving from Delhi. This is the duration which it takes to reach Agra. For this, what we will do, first of all we will add 3 hours into it. So 12:05 means 3:05 p.m. But you can see that here 42 minutes are also given. So we will add 42 minutes here. So it will become 3:47 p.m. So in this way the right answer is 3:47 p.m. Now E part, the number of days into non-leap year. Now second question, is the year in which India became republic a leap year? This question you will do yourself. Here first of all you have to write the year in which India became republic. That is, I am telling you, 1950. Now to check that is 1950 a leap year or not, for this you have to do the division. Divide this number by 4. If you are getting remainder 0, then you will say yes, it is a leap year. And if you are getting remainder not equals to 0, then you will say no, it is not a leap year. So this question number 2 you will do yourself. Then come to question number 3. If 4th of February is Sunday, what day is 25th of February? So what we will do, very simple, listen carefully. 4th of February is Sunday. Now what we will do, we will add 7. It will become 11. 11 will also Sunday. Now we will again add 7. It will become 18. 18 will also Sunday. Now we'll again add 7. We will get 25. So 25 is also Sunday. So here the right answer is Sunday. Fourth one, fill in the blanks. A leap year has dash days. Yes, 366. B part, there are dash seconds in 1 hour. 3600 seconds. C part, the shortest month of year is, yes, we'll write here February. D part, 5 hours equals to dash minutes. Here we have to convert hours into minutes. So what we will do, we will simply multiply 60 by 5, because we all know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So to find for 5 hours, we will do this multiplication. The answer will be 300 minutes. Then E part, 3 hours 35 minutes. For this, first of all, we will convert these hours into minutes. So when we will convert 3 hours into minutes, we will multiply 60 by 3. We will get 180. Now we will add these 35 minutes also in this 180 to get the total number of minutes. So do this addition and you will get 215. So answer will be 215 minutes. 1 century is equals to dash years. Yes, 100 years. 180 minutes is equals to dash hours. Now here we have to change minutes into hours. So what we will do, we will divide. Always remember children, as we have done in the conversion of capacity, conversion of weight, conversion of length, what we have done in that topics. When we have to convert bigger unit into smaller one, we do multiplication, and when we have to convert smaller unit into bigger one, we do division. Same is the thing we are doing here. When we are converting hours into minutes, we are doing multiplication, and when we are converting here minutes into hours, we will do this division. So here we will divide by 60, and when you will divide by 60, you will get the answer 60 3s are 180. The right answer is 3 hours. Then 3 hours after 5 p.m. as it is written after, so we will do the addition. So it will become 8 p.m. Then 2 hours before 9 a.m. The word is before here, so we will do the subtraction and we will get the answer 7 a.m. J part, 2 hours 20 minutes after 3:30. The word is after, so we will do the addition. We will add this duration into this time and we will get the answer 5:50 a.m. K part, 4 hours 5 minutes before 10:40. Now it is written 4 hours 5 minutes before. The word before is there, so we'll do the subtraction and we will get the answer 6:35 a.m. Now come to this question number 7 and 8. Question number 5, 6, 9, 10 we will do tomorrow. Today we will do this question number 7 and 8 now. What time was it 3600 seconds before 12 midnight? Means 12 midnight से 3600 seconds की अगर हम पहले बात करते हैं, means before word is there, so what the time was. So first of all we will change these 3600 seconds into hours. You all know that in 1 hour we are having 3600 seconds. Okay, so when we are talking about 3600 seconds before 12 midnight, it means we are talking about 1 hour before 12 midnight. So we'll subtract 1 from here, so the answer will be 11 p.m. क्योंकि midnight से पहले की बात हो रही है. ठीक है. Then what time will it be 3600 seconds after 11 a.m. ठीक है. अब 11 a.m. के बाद आपको 3600 seconds का टाइम बताना है. ठीक है कि 3600 seconds आफ्टर 11 a.m. आपको बताने हैं. 3600 seconds means 1 hour. So you have to write the time 1 hour after 11 a.m. So 1 hour after 11 is 12 and here it is written a.m. So what time it will be? 12 noon. दिन के 12 बजेंगे. So we'll write 12 noon. Okay children. Now we are left with question number 5, 6, 9, 10, 11 which we will do tomorrow. That's all for today. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.